Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread no baking soda easy guide. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and greasing a loaf pan. Mash ripe bananas, whisk eggs and sugar, fold in flour and baking powder, add melted butter and vanilla, pour batter, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool before slicing and enjoy. Serve warm with coffee or a smear of good butter for best results. For ingredients, gather 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter, 5 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. If you prefer, substitute applesauce for some butter or use brown sugar for deeper flavor. Mix gently to avoid overworking gluten and fold in optional nuts or chocolate chips before baking at 350 degrees F for about 50 minutes. Let batter rest 5 minutes to settle for more consistent rise. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Robot face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after baking effortless and funny. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. It really helps me keep making recipes and tests. I appreciate every subscribe and share. Now let's get back to the video. Use gentle folding and avoid overmixing to keep the crumb tender. Test doneness with a toothpick in the center. If it comes out mostly clean with a few moist crumbs, it is ready. For extra moisture, brush the top with a light syrup while warm or fold in a tablespoon of sour cream. Allow the loaf to cool in pan 10 minutes, then finish on a rack before slicing to maintain shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.